And Franco, could you first explain the role an environmental hygienist plays in assessing smoke or wildfire debris damage to a home, and why is it important to have a professional environmental testing after smoke exposure?
Well, thank you everybody for having me on this panel. But like Ed mentioned, having an environmental consultant evaluate the impact of the wildfire on a property is very critical and crucial, especially when you don't see a lot of the particles that may have entered a home during that wildfire. So the assessment by a professional becomes very, very important. And having said that, um, in recent fires, many times people were not seeing any uh, particulates from the fire. Then you go and do some testing on surfaces, you find that these properties were impacted. With this fire, you need high quality professionals evaluating your property, because we're dealing with many different hazardous material that could have impacted those properties, and they have to be included in these assessments. So the role of definitely it plays a great role. Plus, an experienced environmental consultant, brings valuable guidance to the game to ensure that all the areas that needs to be tested have been tested and nothing is missed.